today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare for Amazon Seller Identity Verification Call. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the Amazon Seller Verification Call, what it is, how does it work, and do you need to be scared? So last year, Amazon introduced a new method of onboarding customers where once you've signed up for your account and you've sent off all your documents, you have to have a live call with Amazon themselves, and they'll just check over all your documents and make sure that you are who you say you are. So Amazon introduced this mainly to reduce fraud and the number of people who weren't following their terms and conditions. But it can only be seen as a good thing because it does reduce the number of bad sellers selling on their platform. So what will happen is once you have set up your Amazon account, you will get the option to book a live call with Amazon themselves at a certain date and time which you can pick. Now, if you do want to see the full Amazon registration process, click the link above. I've done a previous video in my Amazon FBA mini course and I show exactly how it all works. So what will you actually need for the call? Before the call, you want to be as prepared as possible because you want it going as smoothly as possible. So basically what you want to have is all the personal documents that you uploaded when you were setting your Amazon seller account up. You want to have them at hand. So if you uploaded your passport and bank statement, for example, you'll want to have this with you when you're on the call. So what will actually happen on the call? So the call is super easy. First up, all they'll do is ask you just to verify yourself. Then Amazon will ask you to start actually holding up the documents. So you'll need to show your passport next to your face so they can just make sure that the person on the passport is matching you. They may also get you to flick through some of the pages of your passport just to make sure it is real and it's not a fake passport or just a photocopy of someone else's passport. Other than that, that's usually all you have to do. So the call usually lasts between 15 and 20 minutes, but you'll probably only spend about 5 minutes of that actually doing anything. The rest of the time is just waiting for the Amazon rep to verify everything. So do you need to be scared? No, it really is that easy. A lot of people think Amazon are going to try and catch you out, but that isn't what it's about at all. We've never heard of any of our customers having any issues with this call. As long as you provide the correct and accurate information, you won't have any problems at all. So once you've done the call, how long does it take to get verified? So this can vary. We've heard of it being instant, but we've also heard of it taking a few days. So just be patient, and what will eventually happen is you will get an email from Amazon just to confirm that your account is registered and they're happy with all the information which you've provided to them. So I hope that video helps and shows that the Amazon verification call really isn't anything to worry about. It's something we get asked about a lot, just because it can seem a little bit daunting having to go on a call with Amazon. But as long as you're providing all the accurate information, you won't have a problem at all. So I hope you found that video helpful. Let me know in the comments your experience of the Amazon verification call. And if there's any other videos you'd like us to do, let us know in the comments as well. If you did want to join Profitl as well, there is a link in the bio. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.